Hi my friend, I am presenting to you via this video a software that I am working on. It is a software that would help pizza shop owners manage their business operations on multiple fronts. They will be able to sell their pizza and whatever else they have to sell through an online ordering system. They will be able to notify their customers on the order they have made through order tracking, and they will also be able to analyze precious insights for their to make more clever business decisions. Let's say it like that. But of course, not all the features have been implemented yet, and also I have not implemented any features on the owner's side of things because there also is client side features. Client, I mean customers of the pizza shop. In fact, I began this software by developing the online ordering system, not the entire feature, uh, but the subset of having a user add menu items to the cart. Eventually, we are going to process the card and invite the user to make a payment through a third party service provider like Stripe. So let's begin things slowly, one little thing at a time. Here's the landing page, clean landing page, simple landing page. The message is designed for pizza shop owners, so we are clearly stating here that the software helps a pizza shop owner process orders online. So we want customers as users, but also owner as users. But we are making this software for the owners. So streamline your pizza orders, fast, simple ordering system built for your pizzeria, showcase your menu, display your pizzas and sides with an easy to manage customer friendly menu. In fact, there's a feature that will allow pizza shop owners to build their menu in a structured manner, and the program will represent this data set to be rendered on the interface for the pizza shop's customers. Uh, and from that menu, as you will see, the customers will be able to make their order. So without further ado, we are going to go and log in. Log in, yes. There's two authentication systems, or should I say there's one authentication system, but two kind of users. We have the owners and the customers. Now we are going to log in as a client slash customer. By the way, you will be able to visit this application and test it out for yourself. Just go to crustcruiser.com and check the box here to consent to the terms. So when you log in, you're going to have the menu presented to you, dear customer, and you will be able to navigate through it through the sections here. A little UX insight, which is heavily or tightly related to the business context here. We are ordering from a pizza shop, so it makes sense to have the pizza section be rendered by default and be the first one from the series. And if we follow the logical flow of eating or enjoying a good dinner, we are starting with the pizza and we are ending with the dessert here. So as a customer, I will order my pizza here. Let's go with the Quebec pizza, and I want a medium one, and I want two, and I will add this to cart. Now pay attention to the little red dot here, which holds 0. It will become 1, and it will become 1 reactively because the information of the Quebec pizza has been processed on the front end only for now. Now it's getting a little bit more technical, but when the user clicks add to cart, I am saving this information. For now, I am not doing anything else with it, but eventually it will have to be communicated to the server so that the server can build a receipt and serve the receipt to the user so that the user can then pass through the system to make a payment. But this whole feature has not been implemented yet. It's going to be next soon. So I'm adding this to the cart. And for the pizza specifically, there are sub menus, and extras, as the program calls them. So I will add my ham extra. There's quantity selector, like for the principal menu item cards, and also you know the sauce, the checkbox, and whatnot. But if you visit the site and test it out, you will notice that it's not yet 100% UX friendly. For example, here, okay, it's okay if I click on the title, Fior di Latte, it's as if I clicked on the checkbox, but it would be nice that by clicking on the little section, it's as if I'm clicking on the checkbox. So basically what I'm saying, and let me know if I'm wrong, I prefer to have a larger zone uh, of interaction tightly coupled to the checkbox here so that I don't have to visit the checkbox and precisely place my cursor here and have it checked, just to satisfy all kind of users. So let's go with this too, whatever, throw in the extras. As I said, the information is saved, but eventually it is very important to have the customer notified about this event that just happened, and just say to him, hey, this item been has been successfully added to the cart, with a little slide in notification from right to left. So you can visit other sections of the menu, and for beverages you can select sizes. Every item, or should I say every class of the menu, every menu section has its own kind of size. Here for sides we have small, medium, large. For beverages we go by milliliters, and for desserts here, same as sides. Pizza also, it's unique. We go by inches, and this is done deliberately to separate uh, information by sets, because it will help a lot when we develop data analysis features, because eventually it would be nice for the pizza shop owner to know exactly what kind of pizza sells the best at this time of the year for this specific size, and what kind of how many pizzas uh, are sold the most by order. What I want to say by that is it the margherita pizza that's sold in greater numbers, or is it another one? There we can do many things with this, obviously. So yeah, for now it's very basic. You can just, as a customer, add items to the cart, select quantity by menu item, select the size, navigate through the menu, select toppings, extras from the sub menu, and of course you have your settings, because you have a profile. And just to give you a look at how it at the dark mode, you can also select it right here. And yeah, the experience is the same, the design is different, and in fact I would say that I prefer the dark mode landing page rather than the light mode, but to each his own taste, right? That's a wrap.